Hey, this is Stephen A. Williams, President and founder of the CreditRepairShop.com. And in today's video, I'm going to show you the certificate or note that was supposedly supposed to pay for a vehicle to prove to you that this stuff does not work about using a 1099A, OID, or these promissory notes. I had a client 4 years ago that actually put everything together the way that everybody claims that you should do it, and I'm going to show you the end result of what happened. But before we do that, I want to talk about some good news that I just got in my email. It says that I have $1.5 million that I've won in an internet contest lottery. And all I have to do is give them my information on and send MoneyGram or under MoneyGram, and I'm going to get the money. Wow, I'm rich. No, I'm just joking. I get this email twice a day, every day. This email. So I'm going to just put their information out here so maybe you can give them a call and help me collect my money. I get this 2 times per day. All right, enough for the jokes aside. Let's get over and look at this note here. So I'm going to slide this over. Look at that. Told y'all that that I really do deal with people that have had some repercussions with this. This was a copy of the promissory note. It says here international promissory note. So I know some people are going to say, well, it's not supposed to be international. Well, I don't know what to say about that. I'm not going to even get into all that. I'm just going to tell you what happened. This client came to us. He presented this to us. He had a BMW. He had it was supposed to get paid to Mercedes Benz Financial Services, and he wanted to use this note, and it said the amount of $108,304. He presented it. You see that little stamp that everybody talks about that you got to have on there. He had all of the laws and the UCC codes and everything. You can even go down here and look at where he talked about the Mercedes-Benz Financial Services and the bearer holder, the full amount specified, security as good as available, full settlement set off, claim debt for value received, seen A plus security, consumer purchase funds from redemption account. I mean, this is like saying everything that everybody always talks about. And it had the signatures, all of the stuff that everybody talks about. It even had the part down here notarized, everything. Had all of the stuff. Look at it again. I'm just going to let you scroll and see it. You can see all of the laws, the where the statements that everybody say that you need to place into there. It was a color document. Everything had the watermarks. Here's UCC was right there. A negotiable instrument. All of the stuff that everybody talked about. So now let's go over here. This was another document, supporting document that he had. I don't know how the two relate to each other, but this was for another vehicle. That's what it was. This was for another vehicle. So it says Lexus Financial Services, and then this was for another vehicle that he had. It had the little stamp there. There's a little date there. Had the terms. Inside of here, I think I had it right. Yeah, the general acceptance accounting principle. Everybody talks about the gap, the Title 12, United States Code 181.3. Everybody talks about that in their videos. It says here the Administrative Procedure Act of 1946. Everybody talks about that, and then just shows that they were giving stuff over. This was presented. I marked off because I don't want anyone getting bothered about this, but any of the people that it was what do you call it? Uh, what do you call it? Lost my train of thought. Um, where they had it notarized. It was notarized. I just got it covered up. It was notarized. This was presented, and now let me tell you the end result of what happened from the client doing all of this. They came and they repossessed the vehicles. They came and repossessed the vehicles. So this stuff does not work. This information was presented exactly the way this person here went step by step. They went step by step with everything that they claim you're supposed to do, and they repossessed the vehicles. And this debt was thrown on top of my client. Uh, so you're talking about over 140 something $1,000 in debt from automobile debt that was not paid off by using these secured notes. And it looks like he tried doing it another way with this one here. It did not work. So we'll end the video here. Just wanted to show it to you. I have not to this day, and there's a lot of other people that are making videos on how to do this. I have not to this day seen anyone present anything that was of this standard, and this was not accepted. I've seen a whole bunch of people writing on payment coupons. I've seen people scribbling on stuff and crossing off things and sending stuff in, but I haven't seen anyone that went to this far to follow the steps, and this was still not accepted. So please, folks, watch out and be very careful with that. But if you find yourself in trouble with it, you know we're here to help you clean up that mess. So if you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch the video, What Makes Us Different, so you can see my 8-point validation process, my two-phase settlement process. If you need your credit reports and scores, go to the website your3scores.com. Those links are below this video. If you have debt collectors coming after you, please grab my 3 free letters. We are having some issues with Gmail delivery for some reason, but if you fill in the form and you don't get them, just simply write us an email. We'll double check that you filled in the form, and then we get those over to you. The reason why we do it that way is because we want to see who's getting them, because there's been some debt collectors that have been sneaking into my email list, and we just want to make sure we know who's actually on the list and asking for those documents. Thank you for your time. This is Stephen A. Williams, President of RepairShop.com.